Lowering your carbon footprint is good for the planet, but it's also necessary for the prosperity of your business with the next generation of consumers. Did you know that 78% of modern consumers would like to reduce their environmental impact by making more informed choices when eating out? When we think about sustainability for our food service businesses, it's easy to think about recycling, reducing plastic cup usage, and partnering with local suppliers. These are good first steps, but you can go bigger in your sustainable procurement plans. Actually, one thing that often gets overlooked is the environmental impact of food safety processes within our kitchens. Did you know that each of the fridges and freezers in your kitchen might be increasing your carbon footprint without you realising it? All of your appliances have a kilowatt hour rating. For a single door upright fridge, this is about 623 kilowatt hours, and for a 400 litre chest freezer, this is about 1,168. So if you have 3 of each, you'd use 5,373 kilowatt hours per annum. Now, for each kilowatt hour, 0.21 kilograms of carbon emissions are produced. That doesn't sound too much, right? Well, that means that using our example, your 3 fridges and freezers produce 1,140.85 kilogram of carbon emissions. If we divide this by 1,000, this gives us your carbon footprint in tonnes. So 1.14 tonnes of carbon emissions produced. That sounds a bit more. That is if your appliances are performing at an optimised temperature though. For fridges, this is between 4 and 5 degrees, and for freezers, this is minus 18 degrees. Did you know for that every degree colder that your appliance temperature is, it increases your energy consumption by 5 to 10%? Research suggests that on average, appliances tend to be running 2.2 degrees cooler than necessary. So if we take our example, the fridges and freezers will be using 22% extra energy, which equals 0.251 tonnes more CO2. That's a lot of emissions that can be completely avoided. So what can you do? By making sure that your fridges and freezers are at the optimised temperatures, you actively reduce your carbon emissions. A simple way to do this is to keep an automated temperature monitoring device inside your fridges and freezers. It will automatically report temperatures to you 24/7. That way you immediately know if your fridge is too cold and can sort it out before those unnecessary carbon emissions go up.